So today we're going to take a look at how you can protect your Excel sheets and how you can stop people editing the data on those sheets. So what we're going to do is we've got this sheet here. This is sheet 3 in our workbook. Basically, we don't want anyone to edit this. We want them to view it, but we don't want them to actually edit the data. So what we want to do is you want to click protect sheet. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to click off these here like that. And that's going to make sure that they can't change anything or even select anything. So we're just going to set a password and we have to verify our password. Then we click OK, and as you can see here now, we can't actually click anything. If we double click on a cell, it says the cell or chart you're trying to change is protected. To make a change, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. And obviously we are. If you want to unprotect the sheet, we have to enter a password. Now let's say we can still edit the other sheets that are in here. See if we can change those like that. But we can't change sheet 3. So let's say someone makes a copy of our sheet and we save it again, and we just save this on the desktop. There we are. And if we quit this completely, you're going to see that they still can't enter the sheet. So you can see here is the copy, and they still can't enter it without entering the password. So we enter the password to unprotect the sheet. We can now edit the data. So that's how you can protect your sheets from people altering them or just copying the data or something like that. Obviously they can copy what they can see, but that's how to protect your sheet. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.